Hi everyone, this is Brad. In this tutorial, we're going through how you can sign up as a teacher on code.org, how you could provide recommended courses for your students on code.org, as well as additional resources. Now, I'd recommend copying and pasting code.org into your LMS. In this example, we're using Google Classroom. So we're going to select sign in. This is exactly what your students would do. And then again, I'm using Google Classroom, so your students would just select continue with Google. And they would select choose an account. Now, again, I'm signing in as a teacher here, so you would just need to allow your code.org access to your Google account. Now, in order to create a new classroom section, you would have to select create a section, and then you can see your examples here. Again, I'm going to use Google Classroom, and then I'm going to choose a specific section. And now, you can go ahead through and choose. So I'm going to say, let's just say this is a third grade. We can now go ahead in, and this link here, code.org/educate curriculum CSF, you can go through, and kindergarten's A, first grade's B, C, D, so on and so forth. So you can view the course here if you'd like to. So when you view the course, you could simply select it. And then on the right-hand side, if you were sharing this with your students, you could go in and show the page as a student. So you can see your unplugged activities. Each one of these is a video, so you could show that to them, and then they can go ahead through right in here, and everything they do when they sign in will be saved. So again, I'm going to go ahead back, and I'm going to say that they are going to do course D. So let's do this right here, course D, and select save. So when your students sign in, they would automatically go into D, and it would save their progress. One more thing to point out, ourcode.com/USLearn, if you scroll down a little bit, and if you paste this into something like material in Google Classroom, students can come back, and there are so many options for them to go ahead in, so many activities. For example, Mario's Secret Adventure, build your own 3D Mario game. So there you go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care.